I'm Alan Dixon from Propane Roasters. I'm just quickly going to show you how to replace the igniter. You'll just need a Phillips head screwdriver and the igniter, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so just pop off the two gas knobs, they just slide off there. Take your screwdriver, there's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, take them off, and then just lift the engine cover off, but be careful because the 2 cables are still attached to your igniter here. First off, pull the cable off. Next, you should just be able to unscrew the nut there. Take that off. Pop it through the hole. And tighten this up. Now it should only be done hand tight. That's all you need. And then slide this back in. Make sure it's nice and snug. Check the other one snug. Pop the lid back on. And then you can test it. If you're not getting a good spark, just check to make sure this probe is over one of the holes. You can just, with the heat, it does expand and contract, so it might move out of place. And make sure it's about 1/8 of an inch off the hole there until you get a nice. And lastly, don't forget to pop screws back in. And again, just hand tight.